안녕! Let's learn Korean with world best Korean teacher, Eugene! So, we've already learned all vowels in Korean, so it's time to learn consonants. Are you ready? So this time, we'll learn just 10 consonants. Of course, there are more consonants in Korean. However, this time, we'll learn just 10 consonants. Okay, then follow me, follow me. This one is 기억, and it has 그 sound. 그 as in go. 그 sound. Oh, well, from now on, I just let you the name of this alphabet, but what we have to remember is the sound value of the consonant. So when you write, you just trying to read the sound, okay? Pronounce the sound. So write like this. Once, 그. So when you pronounce 기억, 그 sound, your tongue touches the back side of your palate. I mean the roof of your mouth. Yeah, here. So raise your hand, point your finger, and write as you read it. Remember, it's very important to read it loudly. So, 그. Good. This one is 니은, and it has 느 sound. 느 in nail. So, 느. One more, 느. So, when you pronounce 느 sound, your tongue touches the gum ridge, the upper gum ridge. Here, just behind your teeth, your front teeth, here. So, point your finger and write and read. 느. Good. So this one is 디귿. And this one has 드 sound. 드 as in dog. So you have to write in two parts like this. 1, 2. 드. So when you pronounce 드 sound, your tongue touches the upper gum ridge, like as 느 does. So point your finger. 드. One more. 드. Good. So this one is 리을. And it has 르 sound. So 르 as in lady or the radio. So in Korean, we don't distinguish L sound and R sound. It's all 리을. So to write 르, write like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 르 sound. So when you pronounce 르 sound, your tongue touches the upper gum ridge as 느 and 드 does. So it's writing and reading time. So point your finger. 르. One more. 르. Good. So next one is 미음. And it has 무 sound. Its sound value is 무. 무 as in moon. Oh, well, our president is Moon, President Moon. Yeah, this moon. Mu sound. So, you write in three parts like this. 1, 2, 3. You see? 1, 2, 3. Mu. So when you sound mu, your lips get together, so you shut your mouth and then open. Mu. Mu. So this sound comes from your lips. Mu. Mu. Good. So write one more. I mean, see how I write. Mu. 1, 2, 3. Good. So mu. Mu. Good. So next one is pew. Pew. It has b sound. So it seems a little bit complicated to write it, but don't worry. Oh, b sound is as in boy. B sound. So write like 1, 2, 3, 4. Top to bottom, left to right, left to right. Okay? B sound. So when you make b sound, your lips get together like as you did in mu sound. So p, p, p. So this sound comes from your lips. So one more. P, p. Oh, you did well. One more. P. Good. So next one is 시옷. 시옷. So 시옷 has s sound. I wrote soap, but it's a little bit different from soap because soap, s. So it has more weak and soft and relaxed sound than soap. Similar, but more weaker, softer, much more relaxed. S, s. So write like this. S. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, you may think, why does it write from right to left? Right to left. No, don't take it this way. It's just top to bottom. Okay? So it doesn't break the rule. Top to bottom. And then top to bottom. So you have to write this one first. And then this. So s, when you pronounce s, your tongue also touches the upper gum ridge. Here. So point your finger and read and write. S. S. Good. So this one is you. You. Well, when it is used in initial consonant, it doesn't have sound value. It doesn't sound at all. When it's used in final consonant, it sounds as like sing, song. However, in initial position, it has no sound. Then why do we need to write it? Because in Korean, you can't write vowels alone. I mean, how can I write a sound? A. Remember this a? But you can't write it just this vowel alone. You always have to put this yun in front of the vowel. So this one has no sound value in this initial position. However, if it is used in final consonant, used as final consonant, it has sound. So this one becomes ang. But we learn final consonant position later. So at this point, you just think it has no sound. Just this one is for vowel. Yung. Yung. 이응. Good. So this one is 지읒, 지읒, which has 즈 sound. 즈 is a little bit different, but it's similar to joy, joy, 즈, 조이. So when you sound 즈, your tongue touches the middle palate. I mean the roof of your mouth, but the middle position here. Okay? So write like this. 즈. 1, 2. 1, 2. Point your finger. 1, 2. 즈. 즈. Well, my name is 조유진. 조유진. 안녕하세요. 조유진입니다. So, 조 is this 즈 sound. 즈. So, write one more. 즈. 즈. Good. So, next one is 힐. 힐. It has 흐 sound. 흐 like hot. 흐 sound. So, 흐, you need much more air. So it comes from this, your throat. 흐 sound. 흐. So write like this. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. So, pointer. Can you see? Yeah, can you see here? You can see here, yeah. 흐. 흐. Oh, sorry. 흐. 흐. Good. You've already finished 10 vowels. I'm sorry, 10 consonants. So just let's review just one more time. Yeah, here. 그, 느, 느, 드, 르, Good. 무, and 프, 스, 이응, 즈, and 흐. So, 수고하셨습니다. See you. 안녕.